This video is for Biology 234 for the hands-on lab titled Kirby Bauer Diffusion for Antibiotic Effectiveness. The experimentation summary is this section will guide you through competency building exercises. You'll be challenged with applying the knowledge you gained in the exploration to complete the activities successfully. The learning objectives are to perform a Kirby Bauer diffusion test, to measure zones of inhibition, and to relate antibiotic resistance to test results for penicillin, novobiocin, and gentamicin. So before we get started, you'll need to gather all of your materials. So of the student supplied materials, you'll need an active culture of your skin sample. So this is my skin sample. You'll need a bottle of bleach. You'll need a box of matches or a lighter. You'll need a digital camera or your smartphone. You'll need a coffee cup or a mug. You'll need disposable cups. You'll need hand soap, which I have at my sink. You'll need isopropyl alcohol. You'll need a large cooking pot, which is at least 8 inches deep. And so some of these materials are for pouring plates. And so if you have already poured your plates, you will not need some of these items. Next, you'll need an oven mitt, which is also to pour plates. You'll need a permanent marker. You'll need a roll of paper towels. You'll need a ruler. So I'm just gonna use a small ruler. You'll need a source of tap water, which is at my sink. And you'll need a stove or hot plate, which is in my kitchen. All right, and then of the things that should be supplied in your box, you'll need your antibiotic discs. So you'll need your antibiotic discs, and these might be in your refrigerator because I had suggested that earlier. So you'll have novobiocin, penicillin, and gentamicin. So it'll either be in your box or in your refrigerator. You'll need your apron. You'll need your face mask with ear loops. You'll need the 1 tube of the nutrient auger. So if you've already poured your plates, you won't need that. You'll need a pair of gloves. You'll need a pair of safety glasses. You'll need 2 petri dishes. And so if you already poured your plates, you won't need that, or you'll already have them. So you'll just want to grab 2 of your poured plates. You'll need 1 pack of sterile swabs. You'll need your tea candle. You'll need your test tube rack. And you'll also need your test tube clamp. All right, so I'm going to push this to the side and then we can get started with the procedure. All right, now we can begin exercise 1, Kirby Bauer diffusion testing. In this exercise, you will perform a Kirby Bauer diffusion test with a microbe collected from your body and 3 antibiotics, penicillin, novobiocin, and gentamicin. So part 1 for the procedure is preparation for the Kirby Bauer diffusion test. So step 1 is approximately 1 hour before you begin this exercise. You'll want to pour 2 agar plates, and you can refer to the pouring agar plates PDF that they provide, and then I also made a video early on where I poured all of my plates. Step 2 is place one of the agar plates in an airtight bag and store for use in a future experiment. Step 3 is clear a work area and gather all materials listed for this experiment. So we did that. Step 4 is wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. So I'll be right back. Alright, I washed my hands. So now we're at step 5. Put on the safety gloves, face mask, apron, and goggles. Alright, so I have my safety gloves, face mask, apron, and goggles on. So now we're at step 6. It's disinfect your work surface by wiping the work surface with a 10% bleach solution. So I'm just gonna use the 10% bleach that I saved. I had to remake it. But so if you need to remake yours, there should be a video that just briefly goes over how I made mine. So we'll just let that air dry. And then it says no, prepare a 10% bleach solution by adding 1 part bleach to 9 parts water. So for example, adding a ½ cup of bleach to 4½ cups of water. So step 7 is use your permanent marker to divide the agar plate into 3 equal sections. Label the sections with penicillin, novobiocin, and gentamicin, and then it says see figure 6. So that's figure 6. So I'll just do this on a paper towel so you can see what I'm writing. We'll just want to separate our plate into 3 segments. So just do your best. And then, so 1 will be novobiocin. And then 1 will be gentamicin. And the last one will be penicillin. Right, so now we're at step 8, which is light the candle with a match or lighter. So you'll get your candle out and light it. So now we're at step 9. Gather 1 sterile swab from the packet. Do not touch the tip to any surface. So I'm just going to open it and get it ready, but I'm not gonna pull it out yet until I'm using it. And then step 10 is remove the lid from the active body sample broth and flame the lip of the vial.